provides you with market research reports, articles from trade journals, business journals, and academic journals. So together, these through these curated resources, we hope that the entrepreneurs will be able to acquire the knowledge that they need to kickstart their startup journey into success. So the first database that we're going to look at is Euromonitor Passport. So, for example, if you're looking for consumer reports, industry reports, Euromonitor Passport is a great database because it covers 26 different industries from over 50 countries. So if you want to know the latest trends in a particular industry, you want to understand your consumer demography, you want to understand the purchasing behavior or the consumer values of a particular demography in a particular country, and